Good morning, people. Let's go do a little quick. Oh shit! Don't laugh at me. Oh. Cushion. That's how you stay on roofs. Look, somebody took a satellite down and sealed shingles. It's a pretty steep one. Set your cushion there. That's what we're doing. Shingles here. Scary. All right, I'm gonna put you in my mouth. Need to get like a tripod. Just gonna replace all these shingles. Easy peasy. Be back in a minute. Easy peasy. Take out damaged shingles. Yeah, pull all the old nails, blah, 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 blah. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello, and then we install the new ones. And look at that. It's like we were never even here. Isn't that beautiful? Now I gotta get back down my ladder. So this is like a, I don't know, like a 10-12 pitch. It's not bad. It's not too bad if you know what you're doing. I've been doing it for too long. For so long, too long. That's all I know. Yeet, yeet. Toss your cushion down. And go down the ladder. Well, I hope I didn't bore y'all too much. Like and subscribe. More to come. Later.